Can you explain to us in simple terms what hard money lending is?
Hard money lending is anything other than bank financing. And typically, you're financing on the hard equity in the property. You're not financing the individual's credit, net worth, tax returns, W-2s, pay stubs like a standard mortgage. You're looking at the property as the hard asset, what backs up the loan, and that's what you're lending on.
Is it basically a future of how much money that house will be worth or what it's currently worth?
It's more of what it's currently worth and what it'll be worth in the future, because you're lending on the current value plus the rehab work that needs to be done to present what will be the future value. And you define by the appraisal what that value should be and how much profit that'll be made. Because the name of the game here is just not to buy and lose money, but to buy and make money.
Right.